Hi, I'm Rob Grimes, and I'll be moderating the Supplier Panel at FSTEC. Now, you probably recognize me also from moderating the CIO panel. Well, you know, there is a rhyme and a reason to why I'm going to do both. So first of all, let me tell you about the people who will be on this panel. Well, unlike the CIO panel, which is represented by our operators, the Supplier Technology panel is represented by our main sponsors. So our sponsors on this panel include Cognizant, Micros, NCR Aloha, PAR, Altametrics, and also the RSPA, which actually represents the suppliers and dealers in the industry. Now, the contrast to the CIO panel is that this is the supplier side. So they get to tell their side of the story. They're going to be talking about, from the supplier's point of view, where they're spending their investment dollars, what they're thinking about as far as the future, where they're leading their direction, and how they're developing technologies that operators are going to use going forward. And obviously, where they put their investment is led by what the operators are telling them, but also what they look at in their research that they think that the operators are going to need. Now, not only will they be talking amongst themselves as to where they think it's going to go, but the audience will also ask them questions. But here's the other part that you need to know about. So the day before, when we do the CIO panel, we're obviously going to be asking questions. I will be taking notes of those questions that we asked the day before. Some of those questions are going to be asked of this panel as well, so we're going to be able to compare what the CIO panel of the operators said against what the supplier panel said. And let me tell you, from past years' experience, sometimes the two don't say exactly the same thing. So I think you're going to find this to be a very interesting session. So I look forward to seeing you in Miami in just a few weeks at both the CIO panel and the supplier technology panel.